Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So as you could see, indeed some minor bounce up from the XOP target has happened. You can see here its reaction stance for completion of the weekly target. This is actually not bad area in general, just because weekly XOP is also accompanied with the weekly oversold. So from that standpoint, this bounce seems absolutely logical, but at the same time, guys, we should not be too fascinated with that. It's just because recent statistics that we've got, CPI around 9.1%, it's just direct way to possible rate change for a whole percent in the nearest meeting. And that, of course, will make pressure on the gold market as well. So from that standpoint, nothing has changed now longer term, or but to say medium term fundamental view. We still think that gold market should remain under pressure and could reach very strong monthly support around 1680. Currently, you could of course try to trade on this pullback. It's probably, if especially retail sales will be worse than expected, that could be treated as the sign of the recession. It also will be supportive for the gold. That's maybe the minor target of the pullback will be reached, but we suggest that you should not marry with this position and try and take the result as soon as possible if you intend to trade it. Actually, this setup mostly stands for scalp traders, for traders who are working on the hourly chart. For the daily traders, well, I do not see really a lot of things to do here, just because reaction stands very small. Overall context is bearish. In general, the data that we've got also logically is bearish. So that's what we have currently on the gold. On the lower time frame, if you take a look on the 4 time frame chart, you could wait, for example, if you plan to take the long position, you could wait for a grabber with this MACD somewhere in the area of the 1717, maybe slightly higher, depending where this crossing will be, or touching of this MACD line, so maybe it will happen within a few hours. Additionally, you could keep an eye on the hourly support level, which is the 1721. So if market will be able to stay somewhere around this area and forming bullish grabber, it's completed grabber, theoretically you could try to take the long position here. Currently, probably we should forget about the head and shoulders that we discussed recently. It's just because market wasn't able to reach the neckline, and I think that this will be the gift of the destiny if we get at least ABCD patch into the OP in the 1760. But something tells me that if even we get lucky and indeed upward direction happens, it would be better to focus on the COP around 1745. Currently, with the statistics that we've got in overall performance, it seems that hardly gold market will be able to achieve something better than just to show the minor pullback to the COP area. Even with the COP and this ABCD pattern, I am not sure this definitely will happen, because market looks really weak, statistics not in favor of the pullback, to be honest, guys. But we just need to follow the market signs. If we get the grabber, if market will be able to stay somewhere around this support, why not? Theoretically, we could try, especially because the stops will be placed very close and potential loss will be very small. And this performance with this ABCD pattern, even to the COP, which is approximately $25 per contract, is not really bad result for intraday trading. But unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, I don't know, but this is the only setup that we are seeing currently. Bears probably could wait for some pullback if it will happen, and so you could consider possibly taking the position on a retracement and see what performance will be, how market will respond to resistance levels, and then make the decision on possible taking the new short positions if you would like to. That's actually what we have currently on the gold market.